don't have the proper knowledge for that bhi कि bhi को कैसे use कर. When I was learning English, when I used to get blank, when I used to get stuck, have to break your fear with the most uncomfortable person in the world for you. Hi everyone, my name is Tanya and welcome back to my channel. The biggest problem which is faced by most of the people is they say, my mind goes blank when I try to speak in English. Are you into the same phase when you are trying to speak with somebody? Then you become totally blank and then you don't feel like to continue the conversation anymore. So in this video, I'll be trying to convince you how can you actually overcome with this problem, how did I overcome, and how anybody can do. Some people think if they translate from Hindi to English, then they won't be able to speak fluently. Then it's not at all a good concept, my dear, if you possess it. So something I'm going to highlight over here, which is an extremely important point, that if you really want to speak on every topic that exists in the world, then you will have to frame the English sentences for every single thought that you come across to. Whatever you do throughout the day, your work, your future plans, your past things, everything must be translated. Translation not in the sense that you're typically writing it in Hindi in your copy and then you're translating it in English. In fact, you just need to know the proper sense to express that particular idea to somebody. For instance, if you are in the conversation, you are talking to somebody and you want to say कि मुझे भी नहीं पता. Okay, so if you don't have the proper knowledge for that भी कि भी को कैसे use करते हैं in English, then what you can do, I don't know. You just say I don't know and you just let it go. But I don't know का मतलब exactly ये नहीं होता है कि मुझे भी नहीं पता. You will say I don't even know. I don't even know. So there are few small things that you need to notice upon. तुम मेरे साथ चलना पसंद करोगी? Would you like to go with me? कल मैं जब वहाँ गई तो मेरा आइसक्रीम खाने का मन हो रहा था. Yesterday I went there and I felt like eating ice cream. So there are some things that you do in your routine work that you really think of that what you have to do, what you did. So whatever the activities that you are doing, whatever the thoughts you are coming across to, everything you will have to translate. You will have to frame that. Now let's come to the actual point. When I was learning English, when I used to get blank, when I used to get stuck. So one thing I strongly believe and I remember, you cannot get blank with every person. This happens because when you are talking to a person who can speak better than you or whom you feel shy with. Yeah, it's a fact. Like because when you know that you want to put a good impression to that person, but if you get wrong, if you do something wrong, then it won't be a good impression to them. So it's a kind of impression also. But when you're speaking to a person who is lower than you, or you both are at the same level, then you cannot get blank even if you speak wrongly. In this situation, I would want to say you that try to speak more and more to that person whom you're absolutely comfortable to, because you know that person is not gonna judge you because he or she is at the same level where you are into, or he or she is lower than you. From there you can gain a lot of confidence. You can find out your weak areas where you get stuck in, where you get blank in. First, you need to break your fear with the most uncomfortable person in the world for you. Then your journey would be amazing after that. Here one more tip for you. Do not try to make your words fancy at the beginning. Otherwise everybody knows when they start improving, they start using the advanced words, so it's okay. But at the beginning you must have to know that you just have to speak correctly, not in the sense that you have to say the word that the other person won't be able to understand. वो बस इस तरह की लैंग्वेजेस और इस तरह के वर्ड्स यूज करना चाहते हैं जो वो दूसरों को नहीं पता हो. उसके सिंपल, like we know the simple word for that, but still they find the synonym for that particular word in the dictionary, in the Google, anywhere, and then they just deliberately use that word there so that they think it would be a good impression to them. No, it doesn't work that way. Well, I
So
don't
you
want to make this video so long. If you have any suggestions related to this video, something you found in the video which you did not agree with, then you can comment me below. We'll meet in the next video. All right, bye bye.